Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring prerequisites are set. Verify your carrier supports LTE on this line and that you have a SIM in the correct slot. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Connections and Mobile Networks. Make the first actionable change by selecting Preferred Network Type. Choose LTE or 4G only. I'm telling you why. Forcing LTE prevents automatic 5G handoffs that drain battery or cause instability. So this first step immediately shifts the phone's radio priority to 4G. Now you go deeper. Apply stronger controls so the phone stays on 4G. In mobile networks, remove NR or 5G from the preferred list and select LTE/4G only. If the UI lacks this, open the carrier app or dial the service menu to lock the device to LTE bands. Once changed, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds or perform a reboot to restart the radio and force a fresh registration on the 4G network. This ensures the network change takes effect cleanly. Finish by verifying the change. Look for LTE or 4G in the status bar and check about right arrow network to confirm the radio is registered on LTE. Run a data speed test and make a brief call to validate both data and voice routing. If everything is stable, keep the preferred network set to LTE. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone still returns to 5G, reinsert the SIM, reset network settings, and only then contact your carrier. They can check provisioning or push the correct network lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.